To manage the content inside your TSN platform, navigate to the Content area. This area shows all of the images and videos uploaded to your platform. To preview any of the visual communication assets in your content area, hover over one of the images or videos and click on the image or play icon in the middle. To edit the asset, adjust the schedule, or change screens for one piece of visual content, click on the name of the asset and the Content dialog box opens on the left side. Make the needed changes and click the Done button. To change the queue or the order in which content plays, select the queue link on the right side. The crosshairs icon shows on top of all of the assets. Click and drag the images or videos into the order that you want them to play. Think of this as creating your visual communication playlist order. Click Done when you are finished. To delete an asset from the system, select the checkbox in the image's upper left corner and then select Delete. When deleting content, best practices from our TSN users suggest saving the image or video to your local workstation or cloud drive. To do that, open the preview, then right-click and select Save As and save it to your preferred location. This way you have the asset, just in case. Always give the asset a meaningful file name along with the date that you downloaded it. You can also manage content through the Screens tab. Go to Screens, then select the name of the screen that you want to manage. The system shows everything currently assigned to that screen. Look for any old or out-of-date content, remove it from the schedule by clicking the checkbox in the top left corner and selecting Unassign, or remove it from the system entirely by choosing Delete at the bottom of the Edit Content dialog box. Keep in mind though, deleting something from the system takes it off of all of the screens, and unassigning it only removes it from the selected screens but leaves it in your Content tab.